Dubai is a dazzling, futuristic city where luxury, innovation, and tradition seamlessly blend amidst towering skyscrapers and vast deserts. A shimmering oasis rising from the desert sands, a beacon of modernity and tradition, this city is an architectural marvel. Dubai is a testament to human ambition. Dubai, a city of skyscrapers, ports, and beaches, known for luxury shopping, ultra-modern architecture, and a lively nightlife scene. It is a playground for the senses. The air is full of energy, ambition, and generosity. Dubai, a global metropolis known for its towering skyscrapers and its ultra-luxurious lifestyle. A city blending modern architecture with traditional Arabian culture. It is constantly evolving, always reaching for the sky. The city is a melting pot of cultures. It's a tapestry woven with threads from every corner of the globe. Dubai warmly welcomes all. It invites you to experience its unique blend of old and new. Get ready to be amazed. Prepare to have your senses ignited. Dubai is famous for its innovative developments like man-made islands, sprawling shopping malls, and extravagant hotels, while also serving as a hub for business, tourism, and culture in the Middle East. Handed, despite its rapid growth and modernization, Dubai retains elements of its desert heritage, offering a unique fusion of old and new. Imagine you are soaring high above Dubai. The cityscape unfolds beneath you like a meticulously crafted model. The sheer scale of it all is breathtaking. Skyscrapers pierce the heavens. They are gleaming giants of glass and steel. Each one is a testament to architectural ingenuity and Dubai's innovation. The afternoon sun glints off skyscraper surfaces, creating a dazzling display of light and shadow. Below, the Arabian Gulf stretches out towards the horizon. Its azure waters sparkle under the desert sun. Artificial islands dot the coastline, creating a mesmerizing view. There are feats of engineering that seem to defy nature itself. Known for its ambition and innovation, Dubai is a global business hub, attracting visitors and entrepreneurs from all corners of the world. Its ever-evolving skyline, combined with a vibrant nightlife and endless entertainment options, makes it a city that never stops impressing. Dubai boasts world-famous landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, luxurious resorts, and sprawling malls, yet also offers glimpses into its desert heritage through traditional souks and cultural experiences. It is a city of dreams where anything seems possible. Dubai's skyline is instantly recognizable. It's a testament to the city's ambition, innovation, and architectural prowess. The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, pierces the heavens. The Burj Khalifa, standing at a staggering 828 meters, is the tallest building in the world and a symbol of Dubai's ambition and architectural prowess. It houses luxurious residences, corporate offices, and the world's highest observation deck, offering breathtaking views of the city, desert, and Persian Gulf. Burj Khalifa is not just a marvel of engineering, but also a testament to Dubai's rapid growth and futuristic vision. Nearby, the Burj Al Arab stands tall, reaching a majestic height of 321 meters. It's a cell-shaped structure that has become an icon of Dubai's luxury and opulence. It is one of the most luxurious and iconic hotels in the world. The Burj Al Arab illustrates Dubai's reputation for pushing the boundaries of luxury and architectural innovation. The Palm Jumeirah, a man-made archipelago shaped like a palm tree, is a testament to Dubai's engineering innovation. Palm Jumeirah is a stunning man-made island in Dubai shaped like a palm tree. It's an iconic symbol of luxury and innovation, known for its upscale resorts, high-end hotels like Atlantis the Palm, and pristine beaches. They are symbols of Dubai's ambition and its unwavering pursuit of excellence. Let's reveal Dubai's hidden treasures and take a journey through time. Beyond the gleaming skyscrapers and bustling streets, Dubai holds hidden treasures. These treasures whisper tales of its past. The Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, with its alleyways and traditional wind towers, offers a glimpse into old Dubai. It's an amazing world away from the city's modern facade. It is a key heritage site with much of the original infrastructure preserved and intact. It's a sensory experience that transports you back in time. Dubai's desert is a vast and captivating landscape, known for its golden sand dunes that stretch endlessly. The desert is a place of serene beauty and adventure. Venture beyond the city limits, and you'll find yourself in the embrace of the Arabian desert. It's a landscape of vast sand dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. The desert is a place of peace and tranquility. As the sun sets, the sand dunes come alive with a warm, golden glow. It's a magical sight that captures the heart and soul of Dubai. This is a city that has risen from the desert sands. It's a city that continues to captivate and inspire. In conclusion, Dubai offers an unforgettable blend of modern marvels and rich traditions, from exploring its skyscrapers and luxurious malls to experiencing the serenity of the desert and the charm of historic souks. Dubai captivates with its diversity. Whether indulging in world-class dining, thrilling adventures, or cultural experiences, visitors leave with lasting memories of a city that seamlessly fuses innovation with heritage. Dubai truly offers something for everyone, making it a must-visit destination.